over the past few weeks, I've had this knocking noise as I'm driving. I just realized what it was. It's the wheel bearing. It's still not fixed, but it does sound pretty bad. So I'm going to take a drive and show you what it sounds like to have a bad wheel bearing. So in case you have a weird knocking noise, you think it's commonly mistaken for the engine. It's a lot of times a wheel bearing. As you can see, I'm in idle now. My car sounds very normal, but as I get moving, I'm in my driveway. I'm going to be moving a little bit slow at first. You'll hear it just a little bit, but as I get moving on the highway, you're going to hear it get a lot worse as I get moving. So let's go and pay close attention to how it sounds. So that was just me driving at 15 miles per hour down my driveway. When I get out here on the interstate, I'm going to be driving a little bit faster. So you might hear it a little better as I get out on this road. So I came to a stop here at the end of my road, and I'm gonna turn right here. So as you notice, I've noticed this over the past few weeks. It's a little bit louder when I turn right because it puts the pressure on the left wheel. So it means it's my left wheel bearing that's bad. There's somebody behind me, so I better get turning. As I start moving faster, you can tell the noise gets louder. Now I'm going about 55, and it's just getting louder and louder. If I got up to 65, it would even get louder, but the road conditions aren't safe to go that speed. Because it snowed a little bit last night, and there's a little bit of rain on the road, so the roads are pretty slick. But I can still go 55, so just kind of, pay attention to the noise. I'll be quiet now for a little bit, and let you hear what it sounds like, so you'll know when you have it in your car, because it's an uncommon issue, but it does happen every now and then.